Hey, I wanted to give you guys a little tour of the Google Drawing app in case you've never used it before. Just kind of show you some of the tricks to making it work. So first of all, for this document, you're going to need to make a copy to edit. I wasn't able to make each of you a copy with this program. So then there's two ways you can get a text box to fill these in. You can either go to Insert and Text Box right there, and it'll pop up with this little crosshairs, so you say, like, put that there. You can adjust this however small or big you want it. If you click into it, then you can adjust the font. You can adjust the size, the color, all that stuff. You'll notice that sometimes I have white letters and sometimes I have black. Either way is okay, but you know, if you can make it readable, that's always a good thing. So the idea with this, something that's really useful here too is Command Z brings it back. So like I just got rid of that observation box, which I'm going to make smaller too. So the other thing you need to know here is that this flowchart is going to follow more or less the scientific method reading that you have to do today. So like you can actually see I kind of based it off of this picture, but if you follow this this document, then like you're going to see a lot of the answers here, like even in the headings. Like using good reading skills on this is going to help you do this scientific process thing real quick. So if you have any questions or problems with this, please send me an email or a comment in the assignment is really helpful. You guys got this. We'll see you at noon today. Bye-bye.